In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool that I've been using that has helped me eliminate fake outs on trades. This has saved me so many losses. It's the anchored VWAP. So I'm going to share with you how I actually used it today to get a much better entry on the breakout from the initial balance high. Before I dive into it, definitely like and subscribe so that you can be up to date with any new releases and content that I have. Also, comment below if you have anything in particular that you want to learn more about on my trading strategy or anything that I can help you guys with. All right, so let's dive into the trade that I took today. The initial balance high is this white line right here. And as you can see, it actually broke out to the upside. In the past, I may have been expecting long right away. The reason I actually got a better entry, I'm going to tell you, if I had entered here, if you're a breakout trader, that's fine. It did go up to London high, which was my target. So the risk to reward on that would have been decent, but you would have had to size down quite a bit, or I would have, because from the initial balance high entry down here, that's about 36 points in drawdown. And that's not something that I want to sit through. So there's a lot less stress with the entry that I took. And I'm going to tell you how I knew to take that trade. With the anchored VWAP, so VWAP kind of shows you where the average price is. If I use it, if it's above price or above the VWAP, then it's generally bullish. I'm going to take longs. If it's below VWAP, it's generally bearish. I'm going to take shorts. So you can anchor VWAPs. It's common to do it from the low of the day and the high of the day. So if you take this measuring tool over here, forecasting and measurement tools, take the anchored VWAP, and you can mark it wherever you want. So I'm going to click at, click here, that was the previous high of the day. And you see this line, that shows where sellers were. So when it's below this line, sellers were in control. As soon as buyers broke above the line, then buyers were back in control. So as it broke above the line, it retested and continued. I entered right here. And then it gave me a much better risk to reward because I put my stop loss right below this low and I rode it all the way up to London high. So in this case, you can see it was a 3.5 risk to reward. If I had taken the entry over here, that would have been more like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So that has saved me a lot from either fake outs that could have potentially gone all the way back down and I would not have taken the entry at all, would not have wanted to take the entry at all. Or in this case, it gave me a much better entry, a better risk to reward. And I didn't have to risk as much if it didn't end up going back down. So check out anchored VWAP if you're not using it already. And let me know if you have any questions on how I use it. But hopefully that helps you guys.